Personality psychology seeks to understand the distinct patterns of thoughts, behaviors, and emotions that characterize individuals. Over the years, various theories have been proposed to explain why people behave the way they do and how their personalities develop. Here's a look at 10 influential psychological theories that provide insight into different personality types. 1. Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory. Freud's psychoanalytic theory is one of the earliest and most influential in understanding personality. He proposed that personality is shaped by unconscious desires and conflicts. According to Freud, the human psyche is divided into 3 parts: the id, instinctual desires; the ego, reality-based; and the superego, moral conscience. This theory suggests that the balance between these components affects personality development and behavior. 2. Carl Jung's analytical psychology. Jung introduced the concept of archetypes and proposed that individuals are driven by unconscious motives shaped by both personal and collective experiences. He identified 2 primary attitudes, introversion and extroversion, and 4 functions: thinking, feeling, sensation, and intuition. These components together form different personality types, known as the Jungian types, which are widely used in personality assessments like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI. 3. The Big Five personality theory, 5-factor model. The Big Five personality model is one of the most widely accepted theories in contemporary psychology. It categorizes personality traits into 5 broad dimensions: openness to experience, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, Ocean. These traits help predict behavior and mental states and are thought to be influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. This model is particularly popular in psychology for assessing personality in a comprehensive and empirical way. 4. Alfred Adlers' individual psychology. Adler's theory revolves around the concept of striving for superiority, which he believed was a primary motivator of human behavior. He suggested that individuals' personalities are shaped by how they deal with feelings of inferiority and their desire to achieve personal growth. Adler emphasized the importance of social interest, our need to belong and contribute to society, and believed that personality is largely shaped by early childhood experiences and familial dynamics. 5. Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's theory of personality development is centered on the idea that human beings have a set of needs that must be fulfilled in a specific order. He proposed a hierarchy, beginning with basic physiological needs, food, water, shelter, and advancing to safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and finally, self-actualization, the realization of one's fullest potential. Maslow's theory suggests that fulfilling these needs affects personality development, and individuals can only achieve self-actualization once their basic needs are met. 6. Eriksons' psychosocial development theory. Erikson expanded on Freud's work by adding a social component to personality development. His theory consists of 8 stages of psychosocial development, each characterized by a central conflict that must be resolved. The outcome of each stage influences personality and life decisions. For example, during adolescence, the challenge is to develop a sense of identity, and failure to do so can result in role confusion. Erikson emphasized that personality development is lifelong and influenced by social relationships. 7. Carl Rogers' humanistic theory. Rogers, a key figure in humanistic psychology, proposed that individuals have an innate drive toward personal growth, which is guided by the need for unconditional positive regard. According to Rogers, when a person's self-concept, how they see themselves, aligns with their actual experience, they achieve a state of congruence, which leads to greater well-being and authenticity. Personality, therefore, is shaped by the ability to self-actualize in a nurturing environment. 8. John B. Watson's behaviorism. Watson, a leading figure in behaviorism, believed that personality is primarily shaped by environmental influences and learned behavior. According to behaviorism, personality is not inherent but is a result of conditioning, both classical, associative learning, and operant, reinforcement or punishment. For Watson, observable behavior, rather than internal thoughts or feelings, was the key to understanding personality development. 9. B.F. Skinner's operant conditioning theory. Skinner's operant conditioning theory suggests that personality is shaped through reinforcement and punishment. Behavior that is rewarded, positive reinforcement, is likely to be repeated, while behavior that is punished is less likely to recur. Skinner believed that all behaviors, including personality traits, are a result of the interactions individuals have with their environment. 10. Hans Eysenk's trait theory. Eysenk's theory focuses on the role of biological factors in personality development. He proposed that there are three major dimensions of personality: extroversion, neuroticism, and psychoticism. He believed that these traits were largely determined by genetic factors and that differences in the level of arousal in the brain could explain variations in personality. Eysenk's work laid the foundation for later research in the biological basis of personality. These 10 psychological theories provide a rich understanding of personality and the factors that shape individual behaviors. Whether it's Freud's focus on unconscious drives, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, or the Big Five's empirical approach, each theory offers valuable insights into what makes us who we are. By understanding these theories, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex interplay between our biology, environment, and experiences that define our personalities.